Facebook suspended my account 6 times. Yes, you saw the thumbnail. 6 good times. And let's not even talk about what happened to me, how I cried, how I suffered. Let's just get right to it. The first thing that you need to know about Facebook is this: Facebook has issues with those that use the business page, those that run ads, taking pictures from other people and posting it on their business page. Let me explain. There's something called intellectual property infringement on Facebook. And this is where you take products from AliExpress, Alibaba, drop shipping sites, you take them from wholesalers, and then you post them directly on your business page. And one thing we don't know is this: you are not the only one that saw that picture on Alibaba. You're not the only one that saw that picture on AliExpress. You are not the only one the importer is selling to. He probably sent that picture to like 1,000 people. And out of that 1,000 people, at least 500 of them will surely have a Facebook business page, because why collect pictures from an importer if you don't want to do business, you know? So that's the problem. So you get lots of people posting the same picture. Facebook will just begin to spam all those stuffs, and they will just suspend the accounts. That's just it. They suspend the account straight up. So you need to be very careful with that. Make sure that every picture that you're using for your ads, you took the pictures yourself. Make sure it is pictures that you took with your own phone. Use your own background. If you don't have a background, you could use an AI background. Or there is one that I use. I pay 14,000 naira a per year. Yes, I pay 40,000 naira per year. I will put how much it costs in dollars. Yes, that's how much I pay per year. And it has been working for me since I started doing that. Facebook stopped, suspending my accounts. And this is just one of the mistakes I made. Number two is putting up spam websites, in fact, any website, links and all that on your Facebook ad write up. When you want to post your pictures for Facebook, when you put your pictures, you do your targeting audience and all that. Then when you're about to post, you would have to write, what your product is about. If it's a promo, all those stuff like that, you write them. That place you're writing the description of your product. You're not supposed to add any link to that place. This is the mistake that a lot of us have made, and it is seriously getting accounts suspended. Yes, you should not add any link there. Facebook doesn't like anybody taking their audience to a new site using those links. They don't like them. Any website that you have that would redirect the customers or the audience to another page is a no-no. Is a no-no for Facebook. This includes WhatsApp links, um, affiliate links, all those type of links. It is not allowed. But there is a place you can go and check, to see if your link is um, allowed or not. I think it's called Facebook debugged, something like that. But even with that, I don't advise you to even use them at all. Number three is payment issues. Now, Facebook also has a thing about the the way you change your payment method sometimes. Other times, it has issues with the way you change your card statement or your card information. You see, like one of my accounts that I got the account from my sister, and she uses her own card payments. She has her own card. So when I started using it, I wanted to change to my own. And so they asked me for one kind of number or pin. And at that time, my sister lost her ATM card. So we couldn't find it. And I was just trying my best to just change it so I can run my ads. Already I owed Facebook money. for the one I had ran before. So this is me being honest in trying to pay for what I have used, but to change the thing, wahala. I tried my best. I contacted them, everything, nothing was working. And that was how they disabled that account. Until date, they have not allowed me to use it again. So you really have to be careful if you're going to use uh your debit card or your credit card. I advise you to use just one. And if you started using that one, make sure you stick to it. Don't change from credit to debit card, this to that, that to that, especially if you don't have all the card information. That could pose a problem. Another issue, this is number four actually. Another issue is that could cause your Facebook account, your Facebook business page be banned or suspended is using banned content or banned products on your ads. For instance, I know in some countries they don't allow baby walkers, this thing that they use for children that they have to crawl on. I'll put the picture up. This one. Aha. You're not allowed to is not allowed in some countries. You need to check if the product you're selling is legal in the country you're selling it. All people that sell cigarettes, is not every country that will let you sell cigarettes there. So once you're doing the ad and you're putting in another country that is not your country, you need to be sure that what you are putting out is allowed. Yes, that is one issue. Another one is this is number five. You are not supposed to affiliate yourself with accounts that have been banned or that have been disabled or that have been suspended on Facebook. Let me explain. For instance, my old account that has been suspended, if I then go ahead, look for that old account, then I start to like the page, or I begin to make comments, or I follow the page, or I show some kind of affiliation to it, there is a chance that yeah, the account that I'm using, they would ban it. And yes, they did send me a warning on my recent Facebook page. Yes, they sent me a warning because I went ahead to check out one of my suspended accounts. I was just having some form of is it deja vu that they call it. I was just reminiscing, and I went there, and that happened. So you need to be very careful. Even if the suspended account is not yours, is your friend's own, is somebody else's own, and it got banned, it got suspended, it got disabled, you need to disassociate from that account. Look at that account like a plague. Look at it like a virus. Just flee from such accounts. Yes. This also means that if you have a suspended account on your ad messenger, you know you can add multiple accounts on your ad messenger, and it's there, and you open the new one. You cannot allow that old suspended one to be there with the new one. No, you need to delete that suspended one. In fact, delete the one that was suspended from your manager account, then delete the manager account, then download it again. In fact, that's how I do it. That's the best way to just do it. Just get rid of the old and come with the new. And also, I would personally advise you, if you have a phone number that you were using on your old business page and that account got disabled, I advise you to use a new phone number. Do not use the same phone number. If they block your account up to like five times, like me, please just know that you might probably have to even change your phone. Yes, it is that bad. That bad. Yes. So you need to be careful all those things if you really want to do business on Facebook and you don't want your Facebook page to get suspended or disabled. Yes. Also, you need to make sure that you do not use any discriminatory targeted audience. Yes, don't mind the way I'm speaking. Yes, you need to be sure that your targeted audience does not look as if you're racist or you are sexist or you're just against gender. Let me explain. For instance, you want to you want to sell clothes, but the kind of clothes you're wearing is a covered clothes. Now, you then decide that because what you want to sell is a conservative cloth or a modest cloth, you decide that you want to only sell your clothes to Muslims. And so now you target only Muslim audience. Facebook does not allow that. Yes, it is against the rules. You have to target, you know, the general public. It does not allow you to do that. They consider you to be something weird. They feel you're discriminating against other religions, and so it's not permitted. Also, even if what you're selling is male shoes, you cannot just target only the male gender. You need to target both of them. I don't know if you're understanding me. You know this what's going on with America with gender neutralism, gender whatever, and all the gender stuff that's going on there. So this is a thing that Facebook has added to their rules and regulation. And I know a lot of people do not know this. So you cannot just go and say because you're selling eyelashes, makeup, skincare, you then just target only the females. No, you have to target everybody together, target male and female. You can choose age and say, okay, I want this age disparity. That's fine. Facebook will not judge you for that. But once you leave one gender, you follow one gender, and you continue, the issue with them is continuity. If you continue with that, oh, your account will get suspended, disabled, or even totally blocked off. So yes, Facebook doesn't like that. Another thing is this is negative feedback. Hmm, that one is something else. This is why I always advise people not to bring your friends into your business. So long as it is Facebook business, don't bring your friends into it. Just do your business with business people. Just be direct with your customers. Don't add your friends to your business. Don't bring them to your page. Don't post your business to your friends for them to see it. After all, they won't even buy from you. And even if they want to buy, you can simply just show them the pictures on your phone. You don't have to take them to your business because guess what happened? They can just come in and say, look at this big head selling markets. We Nigerians, we know insult is normal here. They can just look at you, see your head like goats. Weary. Weary don't they sell market, stuff like that. And it's an insult in Nigeria, you just say all sort of crazy things. And they are playing. To them, they are just calling you weary, crazy person, goat head, yam leg, they're just saying nonsense. Or they will say, this your market, no fine, no. But to us Nigerians, we are playing, but Facebook does not know that we are playing, and they might take offense with that. And so you really have to be careful the comments that are under your ads, and you need to be proactive. Be proactive. You need to go on your page as often as you can to just check all the comments. When you see a comment there that it isn't really nice, you need to just go straight and delete it before Facebook will catch it first. Go straight, delete, go straight, delete. In fact, you can delete and then block that person so that that person will not, come back and rewrite the statement again. Things like that. Be very proactive so that your account can last longer for you. This one tried to ruin my account, but thank God it did not work. This one is just clicking on um on sites. You know, when you start doing your business and you start running ads, there are some people that will send you some form of email. Some will send it straight to your email. Others will send it to your Facebook inbox. They will send it to you and then they will say, this account has violated Facebook rules. You have within now 24 hours to contact us and rectify it. They will put there that they are Facebook support. And if you're not smart enough, you click on that link and your account is gone. Once you click on it, they take over your account. Your debit card information is already inside there. So you know that they'll be taking your money from you. So you really need to be careful what you're clicking on. Facebook doesn't just contact you like that, you know. As someone who has dealt with Facebook, that has had a lot of dealings with Facebook, Facebook will not send you a message in the same place that you do your business. Those that do Facebook business, they understand. They understand me. Those that run Facebook ads, those that have Facebook pages, they understand. Facebook does not send your customer to your WhatsApp messenger, to your Facebook messenger. They do not send your customers there. They send it to another place entirely that you would only see in your Facebook page. So anybody sending you any link, any customer support, blah 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 blah, they are usually fake. They want to take your account from you. They want to rob you, and you need to be very careful. Don't click on them. Even your WhatsApp. Don't just click on any link. They tell you, if you click on this link, we're running a promo. We'll give you this money. There is no free money. There's nothing free. Even in Freetown, there's nothing free. So don't click on them. Don't do that. Don't don't do that. Once you do that, there'll be an issue. And then if you are the type that you see that you have this compulsive thing that you just like clicking on every link that you see, I advise you to get a two-factor verification for your page, for your Facebook, so that when you do click on links like that, Facebook will send you an email or message to tell you that there is someone trying to gain access into your account that is not within your environment. Yeah, they will send you that. Hopefully, if your email is active, you will see it on time, and then you can just say, no, it's not me. They will ask you to click. They'll say, if it's not you, click on this, and you just go to your email and you just say it's not you, and that is how it to be rectified. Don't mind me. This happened my 5 to 6 accounts that got suspended. It happened to me between 2022 to 2024, early 2024, and after that I just gave up. I just gave up. And then I think towards the ending of last year I opened a new one, which is the one I am using presently. I have learned so much on Facebook, and I cannot stress to say this. Please do not use any picture that is not yours. I am begging you, do not use pictures that are not yours. Do not use write-ups that are not yours. If you don't copy what another person has written, in fact, don't remix what another person has written on Facebook. If you know that you cannot remix properly, if you know you cannot, copy and change, everything properly, don't do that. Don't do that. I took my time to write out everything that happened to me, list it out so that I will not miss anything at all. Let you know how things are. Well, for as many of you that have your pages that you're running, please post your pictures. Um, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. God bless you. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. If I did give you content, if I did give you something valuable, please do subscribe to the channel. I really, really need it. Please. And also like the video. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.